Hi friends, welcome to VVSM Academy. On behalf of Copenhagen Retired Employees Association, I am welcoming you to my class today. This is VVSM Academy, the School of Arts and Science, a mission with a vision. COVID second stage is enriching day by day. Be cautious, use mask, keep social distance, sanitize your hands periodically. The chapter today is metals and non-metals. Welcome to our chemistry today. Points to be remembered in metals and non-metals. This is nothing but an introduction class to you. Knowledge of chemistry plays a vital role in the development of human society and civilization. Metals are known to man from ancient times. Metals are used to make our life comfortable. Non-metals form another class of elements, example hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, etc. They are used for various purposes. Alloys are homogeneous solid mixtures containing two or more metals, example steel, brass, bronze. Common salt, hydrochloric acid, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins occur naturally and can also be prepared artificially. Fertilizers are artificially prepared substances which are necessary for the proper growth of crops. There are a number of man-made materials that are used in our daily life for various purposes, example cement, plaster of Paris, plastics, etc. Medicines are used to cure diseases. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Soda water is prepared by dissolving carbon dioxide in water under high pressure. Syrup is a highly concentrated sugar solution. It contains a specific flavor. These are the very important points to be remembered in the chapter metals and non-metals, my dear friends. I would like to divert your attention towards the question: distinguish between the physical properties of metals and non-metals with reference to lustre. What is lustre? Lustre is nothing but the shining of a metal. What is malleability? Malleability is a metal can be drawn into thin sheets. Ductility. What is ductility? It is a process in which the metals are drawn into thin wires. For example, copper wire is drawn into thin wires, very thin, long wires. Ductility. Similarly, tensile strength. Tensile strength is a measurement of force required to pull something which has a rope, wire, or a structural beam of a point where it breaks. The tensile strength of a material is the maximum amount of tensile stress and that it can take before failure, for example, breaking. You see, this is tensile strength. This one, it is nothing but the force applicants that has got a capacity to have its own stress and strain. It can hold the stress and strain for longer time. That is called tensile. That's why some metals are used because of their high tensile strength, they can be used in ropes, for example, steel ropes and all. Next, sonority is concerned. All metals are metallic sound. Yes, metals and non-metals were ores and minerals. Let us discuss about the ores and minerals. What are ores and what are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic solids with a crystalline structure and a definite range of chemical formula. Ores are concentrations of minerals in rock that are high enough to be economically extracted for use. Most metals are too reactive to exist on their own in the ground. Instead, they exist combined with other elements as compounds called ores. Ores are raw materials for making metals. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not necessarily ores. Here are a few examples of ores. Bauxite. This is a bauxite ore. This is a cryolite ore. This is aluminium ore. This is a gibbsite ore. And this is kaolin. So these are the very important metals. So formula of certain bauxite appears dull in luster and it's a reddish brown color. So bauxite appears dull red color and it is reddish brown, and this is the bauxite. Sedimentary, relatively high aluminium content. It is a cheap ore of world's main source of aluminium and gallium. Bauxite is a very important material in the industrial chemistry. Next, aluminium. Kaolin clay, cosmetic clay, rich in silica. And so many things here we have to learn in this. Coming to the iron ore. Hematite, magnetite, siderite and iron pyrites are the chief ores of iron. Iron is the magnetic ore, Fe2O3, Fe3O4. This is Fe2O3. This is hematite. This one is magnetite, Fe3O4. This one is iron carbonate. This is carbonate ore. These two are oxide ores. And this is sulfide ore. This is sulfide ore. That's iron pyrites. And copper pyrites, malachite, plate copper. This is a zinc blender, sphalerite and calamine and zincite, which are the ores of zinc. Therefore, the important metals are iron, copper and zinc for the standardization of the industrial process. Now, give the common name and chief name of an ore. Zinc. Zinc is zinc blend, common name. Chemical name is zinc sulfide. Formula is zinc sulfide, zinc, Zn. Aluminium, bauxite, aluminium oxide. Then iron, hematite, iron 3 oxide, Fe2O3. This is the question. Name the metal that is most malleable. Pure gold. It is drawn into thin sheets. That is brittle, zinc. Metal that precious as gold, platinum. So precious metals are gold and platinum. That can be cut in with the help of knife. So smooth metal is sodium, is highly reactive. Used in making electric cables. Copper wires. Copper used as a thermometric liquid. Mercury. Mercury is used in thermometers. But is the best conductor of electricity is silver. Silver is the best conductor among all the metals. Why we are not using silver for cables, electrical and all? Because it is very costly and it is very precious. Therefore, we are using copper and aluminium for our electrical conducting materials. Name a non-metal that is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Graphite. Allotropic forms of carbon, graphite, diamond. That is, graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Hardest naturally occurring substance is diamond. Diamond is a allotropic form of carbon. Used to kill germs in water is chlorine. Chlorinated water. Chlorine is it kills the germs in the water. Lustrous. Iodine. Iodine is really lustrous. Is highly shining. I use it for filling into electric bulbs. Argon, inert gas is filled in the electric bulbs. Use it for cancer therapies. Radon, radioactivity, that is called cancer treatment. Then liquid at room temperature is bromine, I told you. Bromine is the liquid. These are the important materials to discuss in the forthcoming classes, my dear friends. We will discuss all these things in the forthcoming classes. Thank you for listening. metallurgy class will be continue in the next forthcoming classes. Thank you for listening and see you again in the next class. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.